What's up, Trendsetta gang? I'm going to make you can make flapjacks or bread for, you know, for buns, or you can make flapjacks. This is, you know, vegan cornbread, and it's different forms and different ways. You can also make cornbread, vegan cornbread, to you can make it to look like regular cornbread. But now I'm doing the flapjack style. I will do another one probably, but it's going to be by garbanzo beans, and it makes a spongy bread. Okay, so but now today we're just making a flap. I'm making hamburgers, mushroom burgers. So I'm making the bread to go to it. Remember we said no white bread. Okay, bye. So remember, this is the garbanzo bean flour. I have to take it out the bag. I showed it to you guys already, and this is 100% grapeseed oil. Yes, it has a high boiling point. Yep, and it's really good. Okay, so this is some that I had mixed up. It's ready. Let me cut it down a little bit so I can make my bread. So it's gonna look like 2 pancakes. If I get it to spread out. And I think I got enough to make another one. I had this left over from a meal that I made, like an omelet thing that I'm gonna show y'all too. I'm gonna do that for y'all. And with garbanzo beans, you can also make pancakes as well. So you see that? You can also make pancakes. But we're not making pancakes. We're making the buns to our mushroom burgers. And you can make it as thick as you want or as thin. I just wanted mine to be thin because my burger is going to be super juicy and big. So I just wanted a thin. I don't need nothing heavy. Sometimes I want it thick though. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it be like that. It's gotten a little brown on that side, so we're gonna get it just a little bit brown. And you know, you can have it as brown as you want it. You know, I like mine a little brown, you know, not burnt, but just, you know, a little bit more brown probably than everybody else. Yeah, just about 2 more minutes on that one. So this can be like your flapjacks or making buns to your burger. Look, when I show y'all all the uses that I know of garbanzo beans, you can make biscuits out of them as well. You can, I mean, it's so much. Let me just tell y'all, don't sleep on garbanzo beans. That's all I'm saying. Just don't sleep on them, honey. Please don't. Do not sleep on them, baby. Alright. Okay, let's get some of that oil swirling around for the next one. trying to spread it out a little bit. Okay. Alright. See that? They just like pancakes, but I seasoned them with the season that I had for the omelet, so it's already seasoned well. And that's it. So Trendsetta gang, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll always know every time I upload a new video. And yeah, stay tuned for new video. My next video after this will be my mushroom burger, so stay tuned. Love you, Trendsetta gang. And remember, Trendsetta gang or no gang.